Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can delete Gmail search history. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to do that, just simply open your Gmail application and from there, click on your account and go to the Manage Your Google Account section. From there, you can see this Data and Privacy option here. Select that and scroll a bit. You will see this My Activity option here. Click into that My Activity option. Now, after coming to My Activity, you can see so many options here. You just simply have to click into this Delete option in order to delete your Gmail search history. From there, you just simply have to select the time range. You can select last hour, last day, and always, and also you can customize the time range. Select the time range, and your activity will successfully be deleted. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.